there's my mom's car damaged out. Okay, here's my mom's car. We're out of gas. And we're in the middle of nowhere, and we're almost near Hardesty, but we drifted across the road. And now we're on RG 93 and Highway 13. So yeah, our car is jammed. We're pointing north, we were going west, so yeah, it stinks. And train tracks. One called AMA. So we're gonna be out here for a while. From a dude from Killam. We have to wait until a dude from Killam shows up from here or somewhere because we gotta get gas. So yeah, that's my mom's vehicle, you crazy. My dad was the one that was driving. So yeah, here's my mom's car, so I can show